Guys, your main goal will be to get into top universities.
3, 2, 1, just one.
Hello, my name is Yerik. I'm working as a college and career guidance counselor at Spectrum International School. I have been working here for the past 7 years.
But how do we do it?
Let me explain. First, identify your needs and goals. Second, start early, 3 or 4 years before applying. And third, stay disciplined. Before coming to Spectrum, I was history teacher at Galaxy International School and doing my master's at Kazakh National University. Here is the list of Ivy League universities and Russell Group universities at Stanford, Harvard, Caltech, MIT. College counseling is not the short-term service. Even if you're applying for the universities in grade 12, it's better to start from grade 8, preparing your extracurriculars, activities and loans. Bohlan, your goal will be Imperial College London, David, University of British Columbia, and Zere, Stanford University. As we do run Cambridge A-levels, most of our students are applying for the UK universities and they are studying at the Russell Group universities such as University of Cambridge, Imperial College London, King's College London and University College London. But we do have also students studying at the US universities plus most of European states. Only one challenge comes from the students who are applying at the day of the deadline or day after. Let's do it. So my dream and the target goal is if I will have one class, graduating class, all accepted by the universities with the school's full scholarship.